Morning. It's my birthday. This showed up a whole lot faster than I thought it was. I didn't think I was getting this till next week. Let's open it. This is a surprise. I did not realize this was even in the state. Like, the tracking wasn't updating. So I had no idea. So I am super excited about this. I'm going to have to take a picture of this because it has care instructions. A little prop. I need to get out so you all can see. I still can't believe this is here today. Look at him. Look at him. I wanted to do a try-on video in a bit. I can't, unfortunately, right now because of this. Put him on yet. Look at him. Look at him. He's got, I'll get to that in a second, but oh God, I can't believe he's here. I really, like, thought he was going to be here next week. Look at these beans. Look at these beans. And arm sleeves. His little tail. Look at it. Sorry about that. Didn't even realize I was taking that long. That's the last in that. And then here, he's got a little tuck hair that velcros to him. I'm gonna brush him here in a bit. But look at him. Look at him. I can't try these on, but I am going to do it real quick. Trying the paws on. Love this. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then he's got goggles. He's really cool. Then a couple of freebies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will have the person that I bought him off of tagged. And yeah, I freaking love it. I love him, I love him, I love him. And name, not 100% sure on. I'm gonna wait till at least I try one to, like, for sure. But pretty sure it's gonna be Chip. Pretty sure, actually. Like, that's the only thing that I've called him so far when I'm, like, thinking about him and stuff, is Chip. So, yeah, his name's Chip. this made my day. This made my day.